Today's video, I'm going to break down a coaching business we've been helping with YouTube ads and how they did 152,000 just last month using the sales funnel. The sales funnel is the exact funnel we use to get new visitors, leads, and customers for the lowest cost per click. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of AutomationLinks. I've been doing this marketing stuff for the last 10 years, work with over 2,500 brands. In my videos, I share my screen and I break down this sales funnel so you can copy and paste it and use it for your business. And if you want the full system that takes a new visitor to a lead, to a customer, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send you over my blueprint. All right, so you ready? Let's dive in. So this coaching business, they've been in business for a few years now, but they wanted to really expedite their growth with some paid ads. So we decided to start focusing on YouTube first. And what's really cool about YouTube is when you set up YouTube ads, you actually set them up on the Google Ad Network. And a lot of people have YouTube Premium now, so they don't see those ads before their video, especially the higher end buyers that can afford it. So what we do is if they watch a YouTube video, we then can retarget them on the Google networks because your ads will still show there. With any ad, I always recommend sending them to a landing page so you can build a better relationship. Now this coach in particular, we have multiple different types of ads where ad number one actually just brings in the audience on a YouTube search. Ad number two will get them to subscribe, and ad number three would get them to this landing page here. So once somebody hits the landing page, we want to set up strategic data and pixels so we can retarget them. If we can retarget them, we can show our ads on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any other software out there so we can build a better relationship. Also, if they watch any of our YouTube videos and or hit the landing page, we also want to send them so we can retarget them on YouTube and Google as well. This is what that would look like on YouTube. Okay, so this is a YouTube view. You can see here that since I've watched other videos, I'm gonna see my videos here as well. So that way I'm showing up as a recommended organic video. And then they also have the new ads here where you can just set up an ad. That's what would be a display ad that would show on Google, Gmail, Display Network. But then you're also going to see other ads down below where there's actually buttons. So if you look here, that you can set up an ad that says watch, where you can watch the whole video, or visit to get to that landing page. Now, if you do go to one of these videos that are organic, you can also show up as a recommended video over on the side. All right, from there, so we want to make sure we show up as a recommended video over on the right side.
Introducing Create Studio, the world's only...
Okay, back to the funnel. So now that we've decided we want them to come from Google or YouTube, hit our landing page, we're going to retarget them. We need to send a series of strategic emails to build a better relationship and get them back to the landing page to either schedule with you or purchase if you're e-commerce. Now, the magic happens after this opt-in page that I want to show you next. That page right there is going to actually show them the price so you don't waste any time doing a call or getting them to a page and they actually can't afford it. So you can see this is our landing page here. So what we can do is have them fill out their name. And even if they don't land on this page, we use a software called Data Shopper that will collect their info so we can retarget them. After they fill out the form, we want to send them to a strategic thank you page that I'll show you next. All right, so on this page, it's going to say check your email. That will help increase your open rates. But then what we want to do is add an organic YouTube video here to build a better relationship. You can save this video as public, or you can even keep it as unlisted. One magic trick that I think increases conversions is showing a timer here, making sure they know it's short and to the point. If it's long and something that they don't have time for, they won't watch. But then what we want to do is actually let them see the price so they don't waste any time. So now they're going to see the course pricing and they know it's a fit or not before they schedule. So that's what we want to do here is quickly get them to this page, show them the price, and then allow them to buy if we want. If they don't, we're going to have these strategic emails to get them to come back. And then what we want to do is eventually send them to our newsletter page so they can subscribe to our newsletter so we can stay in touch. After they subscribe to the newsletter page, we want to make sure we're following up with them weekly through some automated emails. Then we also want them to see these YouTube videos and the retargeting ads over and over. Now, when they're ready, we're going to offer that link where they can actually find that here in our retargeting ad, or if they just are on the YouTube feed, they're going to see it in the YouTube feed as well. And that you can see here, they can just click watch or sign up and immediately go and just sign up for our offer. Now from there, when they are ready, this is going to be a compounding effect. Somebody that's never heard of you, they'll see the price, they'll either buy or they won't. And then they're going to see you again. They're going to see your emails. Then they'll either schedule or they won't. And then at some point, you're going to have a few people signing up right away, some people signing up next week, and a few people signing up next month. That's where we want to send them to a survey form, get more information from them. If they qualify, allow them to schedule and buy. If they don't qualify, we can put them into this education funnel to hopefully they learn and they take those next steps to be able to improve their business before, so they can come back and schedule when they're ready and when they're qualified from there. So that's what I want to encourage you to do, is build a good system like this where you're bringing in a new audience from YouTube and YouTube ads, building a relationship with them, retargeting, providing value, and when they're ready to buy, you can qualify them with some systems like this. And like I said, if you want this full system, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send it over. And if this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn more about this YouTube stuff, YouTube ads, YouTube retargeting, check out this playlist here. And I hope to see you on my next video.